Oh shit. So it begins. Coach Wynot is no longer the head coach of Onyx Philippines. You know what time it is? Hands in. It's official that the off-season has finally started. Actually, meron pa akong mga ipopost later on, pero ito muna unahin natin, pare. Coach Wynot has been with Onyx Philippines for quite a while. For almost 2 years, or baka nga higit pa. And he has led the team to an MPL trophy and an M6 World Championship trophy. Sure, nandun lahat ng mga accolades ni Coach Wynot, but what I like the most about this guy is he always keeps it real. Siya isa sa mga pinaka-legit na mga coaches na nakita ko. Prangka kasi siya eh. Pag may mali ka, ipo-point out niya talaga kagad. But at the same time, gaya nung nangyari noong playoffs nung season 16, when he was there at the interview in front of the media friends and people, sinabi niya sa media na siya yung merong pagkukulang. And we have to admit na hindi madaling gawin yon because you're kind of compromising your job already. But I think Coach Wynot will never compromise his integrity para pagtakpan yung mishaps niya. Unfortunately, baka yun yung naging rason kung bakit nirelieve siya out of the position. Kasi Onyx was second in season 15, tapos natanggal sila sa podium for season 16. And finally, yung mga nagtatanong, paano kaya yung Asian Games? Wala namang magbabago dun. I think he will still be the head coach unless siya mismo yung magtanggal sa sarili niya. So nothing's gonna change. Kasi yun yung rason kung bakit pinapanalo ng mga teams yung qualifiers para maging head coach yung head coach nila. Now in terms of direction, I honestly have no info on where he's going, pero is he focusing on being with his family? Will he go the Coach Yeb route? Kasi dati 'di ba si Coach Yeb galing siyang coach tapos naging vice president of Onyx Esports pagdating dun sa operations nila. Or gonna hold the Sonic's hand while I'm saying this, baka lumipat siya ng team. Nothing but the best para kay Coach Wynot. Love you, Coach.